Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Wangpai Wangsu from VKU Neusa and I read in class 7. Now I am here to narrate a poem written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. The poem name is The Squirrel. He wore a question mark for a tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if he ran around his tree, he went to the other way. Now I would like to describe this poem. The poet M.B. Armstrong saw a squirrel sitting on a tree and eating a nut. Its tail was stretched upward with tip pointing downwards, thus the tail was seen to be making a question mark. It had grey coat. It was so loose the poet called it an overcoat. In order to eat a nut, it was sitting straight. The squirrel is a funny little animal that likes to play with human beings. And if human beings run around his tree, it would like to play with them. The squirrel like to tease and play also. Thank you.